Hello, now I will show you how you can make it in FilmoraGo. The first step is to shoot the main video. Then we shoot a video on a green background. I have a yoga mat and use Pip to download the second one. We use the chroma key to remove the background, and in my case I cut the video to a green background. I shrink myself and place like this. Duplicate this particle to make a shadow. For this, go to opacity and blending. We adjust the shadow so that it looks correct. We place the piece with the shadow first, so that it is under the main piece of the video. We frame and place as we need. And that's it. And you can also do it in FilmoraGo.